I appreciate every one of y'all coming out today. For me, this has been heartwarming. Everything that my father has done has been for the community.
Public spaces have been a lifeline during the pandemic, and Philadelphia recreation centers like Miles Mack are the backbone of our neighborhoods, offering after-school programs and safe places for kids just to be themselves.
So excited and thrilled to be here today at Miles Mack Playground. This recreation center, this playground, represents an amazing, vibrant, dynamic community that surrounds it.
High-quality public spaces give people a place to go that feels safe and that they can take pride in. And so I really admire all of the incredible work that Rebuild is doing in this district, but across our city. And not just the construction and the physical improvements, but the approach and the deep community engagement work that's undertaken for each project from the very beginning.
At Rebuild, our promise with the work that we do is to acknowledge the unique history of each site, to meaningfully engage community members in the design process, and to invest intentionally to deliver a space that helps communities thrive. Look around. You'll see a brand new playground. You're sitting on a new spray ground, and we have a multi-generational approach to the playground. You'll see over there to your left, there is a small walking loop on the far side and a lot of seating areas and some trees that will grow to provide shade. I want to do a big shout out to Mural Arts, Jane Golden, project manager Kate Jacoby, and Phil Asbury, and along with Gabe Tiberino, who I think I saw here, and is the incredible artist responsible for the refresh and the redo of the mural around this building, which is just incredible.
And I appreciate everything that's going on as far as my father, his legacy, the playground, the children, the community. I don't like to use the word try, I like to say can, because it will be done, it will be accomplished. The light will shine. All you gotta do is remember to turn it on.